Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video, we will be installing and setting up Python version 3.7 as well as creating our project folder. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to create our project folder. So let's go to my documents, right click, new folder, and I'm going to call mine machine learning GIS. Okay, and then we enter into that folder. The next thing that we are going to do is we are going to create another folder, and that will be our application folder. So right click, new folder, and I'm going to call mine Quake. Okay, so once we have our project folder created, inside we have our application folder created. And now the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to download and install Python version 3.7. So I open up my web browser, search for download Python. Okay, and then we click on the link. Okay, so the version of Python that we will be installing is version 3.7 because it's the one that basically matches mine, right? I haven't tested this project on version 3.8. So for now, let's download 3.7. So we click on that, scroll down, and then we are going to choose the Windows x86 64 executable installer. So I already have mine downloaded, so I can cancel this. You can wait for yours until it's done. So once you have downloaded that, you go to your downloads folder and double click on the install file. Okay, so now seeing that I already have mine installed, I'll show you what you need to do when you install yours for the first time, if you haven't already. So we click on customize. So the first thing that you have to make sure is that the pip tool has been installed, right? And then the next thing is to check on add Python to environment variables. So that is very important. Once you have that, then you're welcome to install Python version 3.7. So I'll cancel because I have mine installed. Okay, so once that is done, we are now going to verify that Python has been added to our environment variables and that we can access it from anywhere in our CMD. So we open up our CMD command prompt or search for it, CMD if you want. If you don't have it docked on your toolbar, so I just open. Okay, so once that is open, I'm now going to test and see if Python has been installed. So we run Python -- version, and as you can see, I have Python version 3.7.4 currently installed. You're welcome to match my exact version if you want, but I think 3.7.6 is fine as long as it's version 3.7. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.